Hey, so if you want to create professional AI intros for your videos or content without paying anything, you can actually do it using the free tools in Dola AI. In this video, I'll show you the full process step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. If you're new, just create one using your email. Yeah, it's quick. Once you're in, look for the voice generator or intro creation tool. This is where you'll build your AI intro. Now, write a short intro script. Keep it simple, catchy, and relevant to your channel or brand. For example, welcome to Tech World, your daily guide to AI and technology updates. Next, select a voice style. You can choose different tones, accents, or even energetic styles depending on your content. Then, click Generate. The AI will turn your script into a clean, natural-sounding intro in seconds. Listen to it, and if needed, tweak your script or change the voice until it sounds perfect. Once you're happy with it, download the intro and add it to your videos, podcasts, or reels. So yeah, that's how you can generate AI intros for free using Dola AI. It's quick, simple, and gives your content a more professional feel. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Hey,